Hello everybody, welcome back again to my channel. So on this video I'll be doing a deep cleaning. So I'll be cleaning the full apartment, the kitchen, the toilet, the bathroom, the kids room, the living room, everywhere in the apartment. So hopefully I will be able to clean everywhere today because my apartment is very big. So some of you who know that my apartment is very big, so stay tuned. So first thing, I'm going to start with my kids' bedroom, moving to the diaper table, which is really dusty. I'm going to wipe it out with a clean towel, and then I will be changing the bed sheet, which is full of bread, particles, biscuit, and everything you can name it inside my daughter's bed. So the next one is going to be our wardrobe, which I have to rearrange for the third time this week, although that is actually my fault. So once I remove our clothes from the wardrobe, sometimes I do forget to arrange them, and sometimes I'm tired, I just put them there and go. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do that again for the third time this week.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can knock a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and so my God. Fools like them.
So moving on to the bedroom, my bedside table is always dusty and I don't know where the dust comes from, which is quite annoying sometimes. So I'm going to be changing my bed sheet, which I normally do every 2 weeks. So what I do is I use my vacuum cleaner to clean each room, then mop and dust out the rooms. Next is the bathroom. As you can see, I'm removing my toothbrush, my decoration before I start to clean, starting with a mirror and then moving on to the washing basin, which I normally do almost every time when I brush my teeth, when I wash my face. I make sure it's clean. I don't like when there's water everywhere. So yeah. And for the cupboard and the drawer, I usually don't do this all the time. I'm not going to lie, I don't do this all the time. So today I actually decided to do a very deep cleaning to make sure everywhere looks good. So I just decided to take advantage of it to make sure I clean my bathroom and make everything look shiny.
Baby, before you color
to be washing the shower. I'm going to wash the floor and the wall. I normally do this sometimes once in a week, but for the bathtub I usually wash it 3 times a week, sometimes 2 times. Since our newborn baby started using the bathtub, I always make sure it's always clean.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.
this is our working space. This is where I work, and this is where my husband work as well. You can see over there his table, and although he's removed his laptops and other stuff, this is where we print our papers. So I was unable to clean this particular space. At this point I was so tired, so I couldn't continue, so I stopped.